Well, just headed back to Melbourne tonight, and just want to do a little video in regard to the COVID-19 fines. Now, people probably saw from my video on Friday that the girl at the end was very lovely and offered me a COVID fine. So my response to that is that no, thank you, I do not consent. That's a commercial agreement. She's offering me a commercial arrangement. So whether they're having the meeting of the minds and making you an offer directly, and they will always have their second witness, so there's no requirement for you to bring your own second witness, but I would suggest that you take your camera to the meeting of the minds. So whether they do it with in person with the meeting of the minds, or they do it administratively, you basically do not consent. And then if you get a notice pursuant to the mailbox rule, same thing. You send, basically you cross it all out. I would cross the value out, and I would return it. So notice, cross it out. So 2 diagonal crosses across it. In between that, notice of refused. Under that, all rights reserved. And send it. Take a photo of it, I should say, because they're going to not receive it. Send it back, probably registered mail, and there's your contract refused. So it doesn't matter whether it's done pursuant to the mailbox rule or the meeting of the minds. You've got the right to refuse all unsolicited commercial contracts. So that's in common law. That's upheld at the legitimate court, which is, like, for example, what I'm referring to there is the High Court. The Magistrate Court is not a legitimate court. It goes in Halsbury's laws of England. So if it's not legitimate, that makes it illegitimate. So if it's illegitimate, perhaps all it is a commercial entity engaging in commerce or equity. So don't worry about what they say, COVID fine or whatever. It's about the value, So, like, they could invent an eating apple fine. You go, well, no thanks, I don't consent to the fine. And like the girl the other day, she asked me, well, what's your reason? So I got a bit confused about that, because I said I don't consent. She goes, well, what's your reason? So, and I should have just said again that I don't contract or something like that. So, but anyway, have fun with your contracts with this foreign occupying of Australia's terra firma. So Australian, what is it? Foreign occupied paramilitary corporation of Australia's terra firma. So have fun with your contracts with them. Cheers.